Guinness Book Club presents Underwater Wonders. What are sea animals? Sea animals are the animals that live deep in the seas. These include fish, like sharks, starfish, seahorse, turtles, and so on. Fish. Fish are vertebrates, meaning they have backbones. They live in water all over the world. They're able to breathe in water thanks to their gills. Different kinds of fish are found in different types of water. They may eat algae, plants, or other animals. Octopus. Octopus are sea animals famous for their round